What is up, guys? Welcome to the Nine University channel. Today, I want to talk about how to become an affiliate marketer. Okay, this is going to be affiliate marketing for beginners, a tutorial, all that kind of stuff, guys. I'm going to show you what to affiliate market, where to affiliate market, and how to affiliate market. All right, so let's get started. So some of you watching this video may ask, what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is basically where you are marketing online for someone else's product, okay? So let's just say you're online and you want to market a pair of headsets, okay? You could go to different headset companies like Audio-Technica, Sony, whatever it is, and find a certain type of headset and go to them and see if you can be affiliate marketer for them, which means that you would get a specific link for that product and you would market that link. And when someone clicks on a link, it tracks it to where it's to your account, okay? And so when someone clicks that link and buys it, what happens is you get a percentage back from that person buying that product because you did the marketing for those people, okay? So what you're doing is you are bringing traffic to people's products and you are making a cut off of that. So there are a lot of different ways you can affiliate market. You can create a YouTube channel, you can and post videos of the product you are trying to sell. You could do Facebook posts, you could do Facebook advertising, you could do YouTube advertising, Google advertising. You can make a landing page for your products, whatever it is, guys. There's so many different ways that you can affiliate market, and I want to talk about the main ways right now here today. All right, so the product I want to talk about today that we're going to be teaching you how to affiliate market for is Boost 9 Pro. Okay, what Boost 9 Pro is an Amazon FBA product research software that it was created to help people in a timely fashion find products to sell on Amazon that are viable markets. Okay, and so that's just a little background on what Boost 9 is. You can search on our channel of what it actually does and how you can go and affiliate market it for this product. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I just want to show you how to set up an affiliate marketing account for Boost 9 Pro, and then we'll get into the dirty details of how to set it all up. All right, so what you're going to do is there's going to be a link below for boost9pro.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the very bottom and click this affiliates button. Okay, what the affiliates button do is it takes you to this where you create your affiliate account. All right, so this is how we can track the sales back to you and back to your account, and you'll be paid through PayPal. Okay, so if you see the screen right here, what you're going to be doing is filling all this information out. Okay, and it's okay if you don't live in the United States, whatever, you can live anywhere in the world and affiliate market for Boost 9 Pro. Okay, so you would fill out all of this information. The only thing that I want to say for people that live outside the United States or people that aren't citizens in the United States, this tax ID and social security number down here, this is an optional thing for people that aren't living in the United States. If you are living in the United States, you are a citizen and you have a social security number or tax ID, you do need to put this in here or the IRS will come after you later and you're gonna have to pay them money. This just tracks it all so you don't have to worry about it later on. Okay, so just wanted to put that out there, guys. But you will create an account, okay, and then what happens is it's going to look like this. You're going to be taken to this webpage right here. This is going to be your dashboard for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, this is where you're going to see how much money you've made, all these people who have bought from you, whatever it is, guys. All the information will be right here. So when you get to this page, you're probably like, what the heck does this mean? Well, this is just a breakdown of how much money you've made, all that kind of stuff. But what you want to really do to be able to get started in affiliate marketing is click this button right here, Affiliate Tools, Get My Links. Okay, now not everyone gives you this stuff when you do affiliate marketing, and we want to make it as easy as possible for you to start affiliate marketing. Okay, this is a way that you can make money online very fast. Okay, so when you click this button, it's going to take you to this web page right here. Okay, and now you can go down below and it says start promoting now. Okay, and there's this copy and paste your affiliate link. Now when you copy and paste this, guys, this is going to be your tracking code for people that buy from your marketing. Okay, so you need to make sure that this link is in any video, in any pictures, in any kind of marketing you do. Make sure that this link is in there to make sure that you get the money for when someone buys the product. Okay, now you can definitely like copy this and then go to like bit.ly.com and compress the link so it's not something that people see that it is an affiliate link. You can come here and create a link and then just like paste the long URL, which is going to be that. You click create and then you would you customize this. So you would do 9U affiliate or 9 or let's just do Boost 9 code or something like that people can go and make sure that, because some people when they see that it's an affiliate marketing code, they don't want to buy it. They just want to buy it straight from the source. So just make sure that you can do this just to like cut it out of the middleman. All right, so you do that, but this is the link for you, so you're going to copy and paste it into the things. But what I also want to show you guys for Boost 9 Pro, we give you everything you need to start affiliate marketing. All right, so you come down here, this is going to be where it literally talks to you about where to affiliate market, how to affiliate market, what to send to people, all that kind of stuff, guys. And a lot of people, whenever you do affiliate market, they create their own videos. They create videos using the products, and they want to show people how it's used, because whenever you can show people how it's used and it's a good video, people are going to want to buy the product. They want to be able to see a story within the product. Okay, and so what you can do is you can post this link, you can send it to friends, family, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, people you know that would be interested in Amazon, random acquaintances, people on the street, YouTube, whatever it is, guys. There's a bunch of different places you can post your affiliate link to make sure that you can make some money from selling products. All right, so So here's some things that you can do. Here's some examples you can model for your affiliate codes. And these are some YouTube keywords that you can put for your tags, bunch of different stuff. But right here, guys, this is one of the coolest things that we give you is promotional videos for Boost9 that we created, okay? We literally give you videos to go use for marketing that worked for us. And so if you start marketing and you pay for the money for marketing and people come and buy from your video that you post that could be our video, you will still make money off it, okay? And so there's 2 videos down here that you can link to your webpage or whatever it is to be able to talk about Boost9 Pro and to get people to buy it, all right? There's also email promotions. Now, these are different promotions that we have used that work for Boost9 Pro that you can copy and paste and use for your email funnels to get people to buy Boost9 Pro through your affiliate link, okay? Now, I know a lot of this is just crazy, guys. I've showed you everything you need to make sure to get something for your affiliate marketing for Boost9 Pro. I've given you the links. I've shown you where you can do it, how you can do it, all that kind of stuff. But I do just want to walk you through real quick the most powerful tool for affiliate marketing, and that is YouTube, okay? YouTube is an amazing thing to be able to make money off of, okay, guys? And I'm telling you, if you can post videos on Boost9 Pro using the software, all that kind of stuff, and they are good videos, and people click on your link, you are going to make money. So I just want to show you real quick how easy it is to add a video to YouTube. Now, I'm not going to just add a Boost9 video because I don't have one for affiliate marketing, but I am just going to throw a random video in here. So I'm going to just find a video real quick. I'm going to drop down this, and I'm just going to do this one, open. And so what's going to do is this is going to start loading, okay, and then it's going to take you to this screen. All right, now your title, bullet points, and tags are some of the most important things for posting on YouTube. And guys, we want to make sure that you do post the best things for ranking because we want you to make money, but also help us sell the software, okay? And so this is a win-win for everybody. If you learn how to do this, you can affiliate market for other companies as well. But stick with Boost9, guys, because we literally give you all the tools that you need to be able to make money through affiliate marketing, okay? So for your title, what you would do would be like Boost9 Pro review. And you could do like 2020 or 2021 just because the year is coming up, whatever it is. Do some kind of a catchy title, maybe clickbaity. YouTube does like check for clickbait titles, but you can also just try and do different titles to see if people will click on it or not, okay? Your description, this is where you're gonna put your link for your affiliate code, okay? So when you do a video, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this link right here, and then you're gonna say in the video, like I did in the beginning about Boost9Pro.com, is you're gonna post this and you're gonna be like, yeah, guys, in the description below, there's gonna be a link to purchase Boost9 Pro. And if you do, guys, you're gonna love it, blah, 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 whatever it is, guys. You can talk however you wanna talk in the video. There's no right or wrong way of affiliate marketing, guys. We just want to be able to get it out there for you to start making money online and selling products, okay? So you would put that in the description. You would put other things in the description like keywords, maybe like Boost9 review, Boost9 Pro review, 9 University review, whatever it is, guys, to get people to click on your video, okay? And so what you're gonna do is you can create a thumbnail. You can go to canva.com, okay? If you go to canva.com, you can log in, create a free account, and you can create different designs, okay? You can literally create YouTube thumbnails, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube of how to create the best kind of YouTube thumbnails, all right? So that's that. And then if you scroll down, there's more options right here, and this is where it comes into tags. Now, tags are a great thing to use for ranking on YouTube and to help people find your product or your video on YouTube to click on it, okay? And so this would be affiliate marketing or whatever it is, or Boost9 Pro, Boost9 Pro, Amazon FBA product research. Like, there's a bunch of different keywords that you can use to get people to help click and find your video on YouTube so they can learn about Boost9 Pro and hopefully buy it so that you can make money, okay, guys? So I just went through a lot of different things, but you can also post on Facebook. You can run different ads on various different websites. You can go on Etsy, Pinterest, whatever it is, guys. There's so many different ways of affiliate marketing, and this is a great way for you to make money very fast online to get started for another online business. But guys, I just want to run through you real quick what affiliate market is and hope you understand it for beginners, for a tutorial, whatever it is, step by step. I hope you understand. Now, I hope you check this video out here. This is going to be talking about what Amazon FBA is and all that kind of stuff, and hopefully you will learn more about Boost9 Pro and Amazon FBA so that you can sell this product better for your affiliate marketing. All right, guys, I love you. We'll see you soon. I'll talk to you then.